This is the man that made Gordon Ramsay. Marco Pierre White, born the 11th of December 1961, is a British chef, restaurateur, and television personality. He has been dubbed the first celebrity chef. Marco is known for shaping culinary icon Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon is one of the most competitive people I've ever met in my life. Whatever he does must be a competition. Gordon wants to catch more fish than Marco. Gordon wants to catch a bigger fish than Marco, and vice versa.
How you doing, big boy? Because this is a laughing stock. This is a dream. This is a piss take. Get with it. Yes,
When Gordon worked for me, he realised that the standards were the most important, and Gordon has adopted that. And in his kitchen, as you must have done many times, stood in his kitchen and watched him conduct a service, he doesn't let anything go which doesn't meet the standard which is required.
In 1995, at the age of 33, White became the first British chef to be awarded 3 Michelin stars and the youngest chef to achieve 3 stars to that point. During his early career working in the kitchen at Harveys, White regularly ejected paying customers from the restaurant if he took offence at their comments. When a customer asked if he could have chips with his lunch, White hand-cut and personally cooked the chips, but charged the customer £25 for his time. During his time at Harveys, White would regularly act unpredictably, from throwing cheese plates onto the wall to assaulting his head chef who had recently broken his leg. He later said that he used to go f***ing insane. A young chef at Harveys who once complained of heat in the kitchen had the back of his chef's jacket and trousers cut open by Marco with a sharp paring knife. Marco White also once made a young Gordon Ramsay cry while Ramsay worked for him, and later said, "I don't recall what he'd done wrong, but I yelled at him and he lost it."
This is Gordon.
He remains the only human being, as far as I'm aware, who's ever made Gordon Ramsay cry.
No, I didn't make Gordon Ramsay cry. He made himself cry. That was his choice to cry.
Gordon crouched down in the corner of the kitchen, buried his head in his hands and started sobbing. But in this time Gordon Ramsay learned how to cook exceptionally well, take criticism, and gave Gordon his culinary temperament. Today, Gordon Ramsay is one of the best chefs in the world, a restaurateur, television personality and writer. His restaurant group, Gordon Ramsay Restaurants, was founded in 1997 and has been awarded 17 Michelin stars overall, and it currently holds a total of 7.